In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to straighten in Affinity. First, open up Affinity and of course, add in your photo or image that you would like to straighten. In my case, this laptop for example. So first at the top, you must first change to Pixel Studio. Next, select the object or the photo that you would like to straighten. Then click on the crop tool. Now, once inside the crop mode, click on the straighten tool. This is how it looks like. Basically, drag this tool to a specific point that you would like to straighten in the image. And once you release your hold, Affinity will automatically straighten your object or image. And once you're satisfied with its appearance, click on the apply button at the top. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!